Hello friends, this is Saida Birman from UPSC Aspirates. West Bengal, Sikkim and Assam political map. This is the area of the political map. West Bengal is a state in the eastern region of the India along the Bay of Bengal. Kolkata is the capital of the West Bengal. It is the fourth most populous state and 14th largest state by area. It covers 8,752 square kilometers. 8th most populous country subdivision of the world. It borders Bangladesh in the east, Nepal and Bhutan. These are the countries. In the north, Sikkim in the north. Sikkim is the Indian state. Assam in the eastern state of India, Odisha, Jharkhand and Bihar in the west. It established 26 January 1950. It has 23 districts. Chief Minister of the West Bengal is Mamata Banerjee, Governor Jagdeep Dhankad. Legislature unicameral is 294 seats. Parliamentary constituency Lok Sabha 42 seats, Rajya Sabha 16 seats. Symbols of the West Bengal is motto Satyamev Jayate, song Bengal Mati Bengal Jol, dance Gambhira Kirtan dance, Rabindranatyam dance. Sweet Rasgulla is the famous sweet. Mammal fishing cat, bird, wild roasted kingfisher, fish, ilish, flower, night flowering jasmine. Bengali language is the famous language in West Bengal. There are the many national parks. Sundarban National Park, Puxar Tiger Reserve, Kodumara National Park, Jaldabara National Park. Here is the Sundarban. This is the delta of the Ganga river flowing here. In the Bangladesh, it is called Batma river and mouth of the Ganga river. About the Sikkim. Sikkim is a state in northeastern India. It borders the Tibet Autonomous Region of the China in north and northeast, Bhutan in the east, West Bengal in the south. Sikkim is close to the Siliguri corridor which borders Bangladesh. It covers 7,096 square kilometers. It is the least populous and second smallest situated in the eastern Himalayas. Kandog is the capital of the Sikkim. It established admission to Union on 16 May 1975. There are the many national parks here. Kanchenjunga is the highest peak in India and third highest on earth. Almost 35% of the state is covered by the Kanchenjunga National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Symbols of the Sikkimese language. Sikkimese language and Nepali is spoken by the majority. Motto is Kham Sam Bandu, song Jahang Banga Tista Vangi. Mammal red panda and bird blood peasant. Flower Nobel tentorium. Chief Minister of the Sikkim is Prem Singh Tamang. Governor is Ganga Prasad. Legislature unicameral is 32 seats. Parliamentary constituency Rajya Sabha 1 seat and Lok Sabha 1 seat. About the Assam. This is the area of the Assam. Assam is a state in northern India, south of the eastern Himalayas along the Brahmaputra and Barak river valley. Dispur is the capital of the Assam. It covers an area of 78,438 square kilometers. Its statehood on 26 January 1950. 16th largest by area, the state is bordered by Bhutan and Arunachal Pradesh to the north, Nagaland, Manipur to the east, Meghalaya in the south, Tripura and Bangladesh in the south, West Bengal in the east. West Bengal in the west, that is the Siliguri corridor, a 22 kilometer wide strip of land that connects the state to the rest of the India. Assamese and Bodo are the official language, while Bengali is official in the Barak Valley language. Chief Minister of the Assam is Himant Biswa Sharma. Governor is Jagdish Mukhi. Legislature is unicameral, 126 seats. Parliamentary constituency, Rajya Sabha 7 seats and Lok Sabha 14 seats. Assam is known for Assam tea and Assam silk. The state was the first site for oil drilling in Asia. Kaziranga National Park, Manas Wildlife Sanctuary. Duck meat curry is the famous food in Assam. Pihu is the famous dance folk in the Assam.